Hello family, you are warmly welcome to our channel. If today is your first time tuning in to our channel and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for the latest update. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comments are very important to us. Today our topic is about how you can break any negative barrier in your life with just the use of fertility plant leaf. You know, fertility plant leaf is super powerful as far as health are concerned, and I know that there are a lot of people who are facing troubles and trauma in their life. Some people are not moving forward because they have a negative barrier ahead of them. Some people are not seeing progress in their life, not because they don't work hard. They work harder, but they have negative barrier that is preventing them from moving forward, that is preventing them from progressing. So I'm just here to give you a super powerful remedy that will break any negative or bad barrier that the devil has set in your way, or that the devil has set in your way of progress. So try to pay attention and watch this video till the end, and after watching this video, all the negative barrier that is not allowing you to go forward, that is not giving you the green light to move forward, in fact they are going to vanish into a thin air because their meter is coming, or they have made their meter. To do this, you need some materials, and the materials needed for this negative barrier breaker, you get 777 oil perfume. You know, the 7 is 3, 777 oil perfume. If you get the 777 oil perfume, then you get coconut water. Then you get 7 leaves of fertility plants. 7 leaves of fertility plant. Then get rain water. When I say rain water, I mean virgin rain water. As I'm saying that you need virgin rain water, somebody is wondering what is virgin rain water. Virgin rain water is the rain water that we source directly from the sky when it's raining. So when rain is falling, then you just put your container directly in the sky and the water will drop inside your container or your bucket. So that is what we term as virgin rainwater. You are not going to source it from the edge of the roofing. This is what we call the virgin rainwater. So this is what you will need. If you have these materials, let me give you the simple but mighty procedure that is going to help you to break any negative barrier that is hinder you from what? Progressing. You will now, this is what you will do. This is what you do. You put your raining water in your bathing basket. Then you put your raining water in your bathing basket. Please don't use black bucket. Yes, this is a clear warning. You should not use black bucket. You can use any bucket except black bucket. Don't use that one. Then you add, so after you put your raining water in your bathing bucket, which is not black bucket, yes, I mean, because you are not going to use black bucket. After you put your raining water into your bathing bucket, this is what you are going to do. You add the 7 oil perfume inside the water. Then you break your coconut and pour the water inside too. So this is what you do next. You use the fertility leaves as your sponge. The fertility leaves, that is 7 fertility leaves. The fertility leaves, we are going to pluck 7 leaves of what? Fertility plant. So you pluck 7. So you use that 7 fertility leaves as your what? As your sponge. Don't use soap. When you are bathing, please don't use soap. Now this is what you do next. You are not going to, after you bath without using soap, you use the fertility leaves as your sponge and bath without using soap. Then after you are done bathing, you are not going to pat your body dry with towel, but you will allow your body to go air dry. You will allow the water to dry on you. This is what I mean. So this direction, this is the time that you can perform this direction. You can perform this direction around 12 o'clock a.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. midnight. This is the time that you can perform this direction. And after performing this direction, all barriers in your life, that all evil or negative barriers in your life are going to be broken. So after you are done, as you are bathing, speak against, when you are bathing, speak against any negative force, any barrier stopping your blessing. Speak against them, that you are washing away the barrier today, that from now good things will locate me. So when you are bathing, you pray and you say that from now good things are going to locate you. You can equally be doing this 2 times in a month. Yes, so this is what you are going to do. It is super powerful, negative barrier breaker. After you are done with this, in fact, any negative barrier in your life are going to be broken. Any negative barrier in your life is going to be broken. Yes, any negative barrier in your life is going to be broken. They are all going to vanish into a thin air. It is super powerful remedy. So try your possible best to do this, because the materials needed for this particular remedy, they are common. Fertility leaves is common in Africa, so you can get it wherever you are. Either you are in Nigeria, Ghana, or Gambia, wherever you are, wherever you are in the world, you can get the fertility plant and you can do this, and every negative barrier will be broken from your life, because the devil is there to hinder you from progressing. The devil wants to see you crying, but thank God that the Lord Almighty has already vested power in the earth, and he has given us the knowledge, and we too, we are willing to teach those who are willing to listen and to practice it. So try your possible best to do this, and you are going to yield a good result. It's no joke remedy. It is super powerful remedy. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest update. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment under the comment section. If you don't understand anything, please drop it under the comment section. I will be coming there and humbly answer you. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. See you next time in my next video. Thank you.